Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from binary search, which is minimum days to make amp bouquet. Okay, you would be given one array, one array, sorted array, and you need to find the minimum number of days you can make. Amp bouquets, okay, and each bouquet contains k flowers. So for example, let's say the array is given something like this: 1 2 4 9 3 4. Okay, so it means that this ith element, ith index means your flower. Ith flower will take this 1 day to bloom. Okay, means this your second flower will take 2 days to bloom. Your third flower will take 4 days to bloom. Okay, fourth one will take 9 days to bloom. So you need to make bouquet such that so for example, m and k is given here 2 2. Okay, so you need to make 2 bouquets and each bouquet contains 2 flowers. But the condition is you can pick flower which are adjacent. Okay, so for example, to make first bouquet you can book these 2 flowers, okay, because they are adjacent. Or for second one you can pick these 2 flowers or anything like this 2 also, right? But they should be adjacent. Okay, so you need to first tell that whether you can make such kind of bouquets or not, and the minimum number of days you can pick that flower. Okay, so okay, now so now let me, and if it is not possible then return -1. Okay, now let me remove everything which is not required. Fine. So let's start. Okay, let's say first day. If I check for first day, 1 2 4 9 3 4. If I check for first day, so which all flowers will be available for me to pick? Okay, this one, first one, yes. This one, no, it will bloom another day because it will take 2 days, okay, to bloom. This one again, no, 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 no. Now for second day, this one, yes, yes, no, 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 no. So I can make only one bouquet. Second bouquet I cannot make, right? I don't have flowers. And third one is this one, no, no, this one, yes, no. Again, one flower is less. Okay, fourth day, this one, yes, 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 no, yes, yes. So I can make two bouquet here, right? So my answer will be 4 for this. So if you need to find how you will do it, first you find the range for the binary search, right? You will apply binary search here because linearly so you can find. Now if you wanted to reduce the complexity, so you just search it binary, you use the binary search, okay, to search the element. The range will be your the minimum element of the array and maximum element of the array. Why? Because see, minimum how many days it is taking to bloom one flower? It is 1. Okay, at least 1 day you need to bloom one flower. Okay, and maximum 9 days, because one flower which is taking 9 days to bloom. So in 9 days your all flower will get bloomed because ninth one is the max one, right? So you don't need to check for the 10th one. Nobody is blooming on 10th day. So your range will be 1 to 9. Okay, and then just apply simple binary search for this problem. Okay, what it would be? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, your low will be this one and high will be this 9. So what will be your mid? Mid will be 5. Okay, so let's check for fifth day. This one will get bloom. This one, yes, yes, no, yes, yes. I can make bouquet this one and this one, right? But I need to find minimum days required. Okay, so there could be answer which is lesser than 5th, right? So what I will do, I will search in left half. So this one will be my new high, mid -1. Okay, so now let's check for this part. Okay, let me remove this one. I don't need it, right? So let me remove this one. Let me remove for fifth one also. Now let's check for this one. What will be your mid? Mid will be your this 2. 2 will be your mid. Okay, so now let's check for second day. So second day, this one will get bloom, no, 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 no. So no, 2 is not working, and I cannot search left hand side because left hand side all the elements are lesser than 2. So the answer will be same for them also. So I will check right hand side. Okay, so right hand side, this one will be my new low. Okay, this one will be my new low, and so what will be my mid? Mid will be this one only, 3. Okay, so let me check for third day. Third day, what will happen? So third day, okay, this one will get bloom, no, no, yes, no. Again, one flower is lesser. This one I can make one bouquet, but for this one flower is less, right? So third one also I cannot do. So so I need to go right hand side, okay, for the bigger element. Okay, so my left will become 4. Okay, left will become 4. So let me, so what will be my new mid then? Mid will be the 4 only. So let me check for fourth one. This is 1. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. Fourth day, this one will bloom, yes, yes, no, yes, yes. So one bouquet will be this, one bouquet will be this. I can form 4. Okay, so my answer initially it was 5, now it will be 4. And now if I check further, okay, let me check the lesser one. So lesser one, my high will become this low, mid minus 1. So here so my condition is false, my high is greater than high is less than low, so condition is false. Okay, so let's check the code, what is happening in the code. Initially, see your condition, how many flowers you needed total. So 2 bouquet, 2 flower, okay, in each bouquet. So 4 flowers you would require. So it is common sense that your array length should be equal to 4 or greater than 4, right? It should not be less than 4, otherwise you will not be able to make the bouquet. So that is your condition, that is what happening here. We are checking, and then low and high will be your minimum element of the array, and high will be maximum element of the array. You will apply binary search on that, okay, adjust the high and low accordingly. And what this scanmap function is doing, we are checking that whether we can make a bouquet with that mid element or not. And how we are doing it? Initially your bouquet and count is 0, okay, count represent the number of flower in each bouquet. So initially it is 0, bouquet is also 0. You will iterate that array, and then you will check if your bloom, okay, that array element is less than equal to day. It means you can make it means that day flower will bloom, okay. So in that case count plus plus means count plus plus for one flower, okay. And if count is reaches till k, okay, because in each bouquet k flower should be there, and count is k, so it means your one bouquet is ready. So that's why you are doing bouquet plus plus and count equal to 0 again for next bouquet, okay. Otherwise you will make count equal to 0, means again you will start from count equal to 0 for the bouquet, and at the end you will return bouquet is greater than equal to m, either true or false. So that's it. Thank you.